You guys remember a few weeks ago, I posted this video where I talked about how you can use other people's videos and monetize them on Facebook, mainly by using sources like TikTok to find those videos that you can then monetize on Facebook. Well, today I'm going to show you proof that this is possible. I'm going to show you an actual Facebook page doing this same strategy and making thousands of dollars doing this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lester Diaz, and in today's video, like I said, we're gonna dive into a Facebook page doing exactly this, how they're using other people's videos, mainly TikToks, to not only get millions of people engaged, get a ton of views, but also make a lot of money in the process. And if you haven't watched that video that I referenced, I'm gonna link to it in the description below, because you have to watch that video if you want to fully understand this process. I have friends who are making anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 per month on Facebook using other people's videos. So when you come and tell me that you can't monetize other people's videos, I call complete BS, because I've seen it with my own eyes, and I'm seeing the numbers they're making, and I'm seeing the money they're making, and this is completely possible to do. You just have to know how to do it properly. The Facebook page that you're about to see, these guys are barely putting any effort. And just a quick disclaimer, I do not own this page. This is not my page. All right, guys, so this is the page that I wanted to show you. It's called Bedge, and as you can see, the page is even verified. So we're gonna scroll down here. The page has 1.9 million people following the page, and let's just take a look at some of the content. As you can see, no images are being posted on the page. It's mostly just videos, and that's it. Nothing complicated. This is the format right here, and most likely I can bet that this same format is being used on Instagram as well. And basically what they do is they take videos from TikTok, and they basically have a counter, as you can see on top, and it changes depending on whatever video is showing. All the videos are 3 minutes long, and as you can see, here's the credit to the original creator, most likely on TikTok. And apparently they're getting permission from the creators, which I highly doubt they're getting all the permissions from every single creator on these videos, because these are just compilation videos from TikTok. And as you can see, they're doing pretty well when it comes to numbers. Look at this, 2,000 shares, 9,000 people like this video, and it's the same format for every single video. The video changes, it has a different counter, there's the little credit, and I can tell you for a fact that these are not videos being provided by a licensing company. These are not videos that you can license to upload on Facebook. These are videos being taken from sources like TikTok. But you really don't know if they have 100% permissions to use these videos or not, but they do have the credit for the original creator here. And you can see the videos are doing quite well. 16,000 people like that video. So if we go to the video section, I want to show you some of the numbers. This is one of the most popular videos they have. This one has 65,000 people who like that video. And if you scroll down, you can see some of the numbers. 159,000 views in the last 2 hours. A day to go, almost a million views, 1.3 million views, 751,000, 1.3 million views. So I'm estimating that these guys are getting anywhere from 50 to 100 million views per month or more, who knows. But as you can see, the concept is quite simple. Every single video is a 3-minute video, and it's a compilation of TikTok videos. And yes, these videos are monetized. There's in-stream ads playing on these videos, so they're definitely making money from these videos. But as you can see, what they're doing works. Basic edits that they're doing on their videos are still generating millions and millions of views, because it's so much easier to go viral on Facebook. So that's why I don't listen to people who don't have a clue what they're talking about when they say you can't monetize other people's videos. And in case that you didn't know you can monetize Facebook pages now, you can go back to my channel. I have a ton of videos explaining how Facebook monetization works, and I even have Facebook Income School, which I'm going to link to in the description below, where I show you exactly how you can build, grow, and monetize Facebook pages. So all the knowledge you might need to make this happen is in my channel. You'll find plenty of videos of me explaining exactly how to grow your Facebook audiences, how to actually set up ads, how to get more views, everything that you might need to make this work is free on my channel that you can watch all those videos, and you simply need to get to work. But of course, not everyone is gonna do it. Even if 1,000,000 people see this video, less than 1% will actually take action and get to work. Even though I'm giving you all this information for free, most people will not take action. So as you can clearly see, millions of views, a lot of engagement, and they're making money from their Facebook page. There's actually in-stream ads running on their videos. Most of their videos are 3 minutes long, and they're making a ton of money in the process. How much money exactly, I don't know, because I don't know the breakdown of the audience. The bigger the audience from tier 1 countries like the US, Canada, the UK, the more money they can make because of the RPM, meaning that they're getting a lot of eyes, a lot of views from these countries where advertisers are willing to spend more money. Probably are making anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per day doing this with this single page. So as you can clearly see, guys, there's people making money using this method. And like I said, I'm gonna put a link in the description below to the video where I broke down exactly how this works, how you can do this yourself. There's also links to Facebook Income School. And if you need more info on Facebook monetization, if you want to learn more about how to make money on Facebook, I have plenty of videos on my channel. With that said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button below. Also, subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers this year with this channel. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.